Look who is here, Dino. Dino, you're not sleeping. Children early in the morning, they sleep.
I just try to chill with my fluffy blankets and some cold sleepiness.
What did you say? Sorry? What did you say? I think you are frozen or no, I thought.
Then
By
you
the way,
said,
my name is Impossible.
What you're saying, Kevin?
he said coldness can lead to sleepiness. I think that's what he said. I think he's making excuses for not sleeping and getting up to watch this.
Nice, nice. Sometimes I don't understand jokes, you know.
I've got 3 children, so I know all the excuses.
Luckily, I don't have children, so no.
You're lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you imagine, especially this period that everybody is home and you have to work from home, and children you have to school them from home, and oh man, I think that this is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
With all the children at home, it's not really, it's not fun all the time. I mean, on weekends it's okay, on vacations as well.
Did you start to stream even to YouTube?
Yeah, everything is started.
Do you want to start the? You don't have the camera on, only so you know, Karen.
Yeah. Let me try, but with camera it's a little bit. Yeah.
Shy.
Oh man, I got scared. I'm only joking.
I just no. The problem with the camera, I don't want to cannibalize my stream. You know, I run it from the same connection, kind of, from the same line. Oh, but I think you can roughly see me on the camera.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit pixelized, but still.
No, if you are right. If you like to turn it off, it's okay.
I will try, because I don't want the stream to suffer. You know, despite I don't know how many people we have on the stream. Oh, we have 4 people watching right now. 7 people watching. Man, we are getting really popular. And I haven't announced this stream, so it just some random people or maybe our people.
I think in our I put it because you had it there ready. I went and I spied on your YouTube channel and I put the link in ours.
Okay. So all people from Capital Region are probably on the stream right now.
I don't know. Maybe your people, because they can see when you put the link.
I don't think I put the stream somewhere, the URL to the stream somewhere in the description or in the event, whatever.
Yeah, but when you create the event in YouTube, everybody gets notified who is.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
Channel.
Yeah, all the subscribers, right?
Yeah, so that's how I got it mine. So yesterday, I even forgot to put the link for the meet. I said, "Oh man, quickly." So, are we starting?
Yeah, we are starting. It's the 4th week, right? 4th week of 9 weeks of Google Cloud Next conference, virtual conference this year. So, anything excited, Linda? What you heard about the conference, ongoing conference, or all the same things?
I explored things. There's not that I heard, you know. Maybe someone else who heard anything exciting can share with us. Usually what I do, and I explore what they have available, you know, that can help us and things like this. That's mainly what I do.
Let me just maybe shortly remark the last week. It was what was interesting last week. I think on Wednesday they kind of performed a lot of sessions on Cloud Certified, Google Cloud Certified, and they especially covered ACE, the Associate Cloud Engineer topic and certification, but also what's this PCA, Professional Cloud Architect. Yeah. So yeah, if you are really into one of these certifications, just maybe it makes sense to go and watch on the on-demand videos, which should be available. Yeah, I watched all of them. It was pretty interesting. They walked through like generally what is the certification, how it goes, and everything. But also they had the sessions on quick labs. Like they walk you through one of the labs and showing how everything works and so on. What was also nice.
Yeah, can you say anything about the prizes that we have today?
Do we have prizes today?
Yeah, we have, I think, 3 plural sites.
Yeah. We have
and
three.
Yeah.
Which one? 3 more of what?
Dance courses. We didn't talk before this meeting. I didn't have time to.
Yeah. Nice. Linda also got from directly from Dan 3 links to dance video course,
data.
which is data what?
Engineering.
Professional data engineer, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. That's a really good prize.
Yeah.
So
it was available a couple of days ago via the special coupon to everyone. It was kind of unlimited. I'm not sure that this coupon we had it a few times in our Slack. Like a few people posted it.
Yeah, but
so if you are active member of our group, GDG Cloud Nuremberg, you must probably, and if you are active in the Slack, you must probably already got it.
Yeah, I got that one when as soon as it came out.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we will have to see who didn't got it.
Yeah.
And we were supposed to have some O'Reilly promotion, but I had a problem in my side, and it doesn't let me. It tells me to contact my partner manager, and I wrote an email, but they didn't get back to me yet. I saw it only yesterday night, so maybe that later they will answer to my email, but I guess this time we will not have O'Reilly. Unfortunately.
Yeah. But in the future, in near future, like next week or so, we will be, because O'Reilly seemed to be also interested to collaborate with our chapters here. So yeah, expect something from them as well during the next session.
£50 a month or something. It's really expensive. O'Reilly or Safari books.
Yeah.
They have a very nice collection of books and like generally material,
Let me check if they answer, but no, they didn't answer yet. So I guess later. So we will have only 3 plural site subscriptions
monthly,
for 1 month. And 3 then courses for professional data cloud engineering, right?
I think so, yeah.
So far today. So I will start to share my screen in the meantime. Do we have to announce anything else? I don't remember.
No, not really. Oh yeah, we have this Saturday, 4 p.m. German time, Central European summertime. We will have a session how to build a website using GitHub pages and Jekyll on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So if you want to build very simplistic, very fast and website for your portfolio or your homepage, make sure to join this session. It's on our event stream, but I can share the link as well in the chat.
HTML and CSS. That's amazing. I want to do this.
Dino, you will be the smartest kid in the world.
Thanks.
You tried Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp's really good.
Yeah.
But I prefer Sololon rather than Free Code Camp, because at Sololon you can battle against users everywhere.
No, can you share with him the link?
Yeah.
So he understands what it is about.
I'll get you to learn one. Because you can just build it up. You build your own portfolio up. You know.
Yeah, I just shared the link to our event this Saturday. It will be live coding, so it's there. We don't really have any agenda, anything. You just join it and you see how we during this session produce some web pages, websites. Thank you, Kevin. I saw you sharing the Free Code Camp website. It's like amazing resource.
Yeah,
to learn. Yeah.
You start with HTML and CSS and just build up JavaScript and.
By the way,
Python on there as well.
They also provide some free certifications for a few technologies, like I guess JavaScript and HTML or something like this.
And Python, and I think even Django's in there as well.
Wow, nice.
APIs and microservices, certifications, scientific computing, Python.
Yeah, and they have like tutorials on YouTube, like 3-4 hours long.
Yeah, really good ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
My computer just decided to go to sleep and close all my tabs, and now I have to figure out all of them from the beginning. Oh man, I hate it. Give me
I'm trying to close like 200 browsers. I've got like 200 browser tabs open. I'm trying to close them. They're too close together.
No, I have the one tab, but somehow something went wrong on my end and closed everything, and I had to restart. And now I have to find all the pages, go in my history. Give me just a second. Because I prepared everything I want to talk with you today, but somehow. No, I found them. 1 second. They're here. I do faster if I look, if I Google it. I will share my screen.
I just realized that I got my internet connection upgraded by the provider just today.
Wow.
And the numbers are looking crazy. I have like upstream 46 megabit per second and downstream something about 115 megabits per second, what looks very unrealistic because I actually booked half of this capacity. But okay, we will figure out what's going on.
So for everybody who is on the call, I will share I want to share the link, but they put this link so long. For who is new, who already knows, I don't have to do that. So I'm sharing the link to go to the Cloud Hero and reserve your spot today.
Okay. I will share your link now on the YouTube stream as well for our YouTube attendees.
Perfect.
Okay.
Is that an incognito window? You should do that.
Yeah, you can do it in incognito window. I don't have problems, so I usually use my normal window. But if you have problems, here or at these 3 dots, you can go to open an incognito window, or I show you another thing. Oh, they didn't open it yet? This is the week.
It's supposed to be security, Linda.
Click on
week 4.
Maybe the code is inside. So you go to week 4, because this is week 4. And maybe the code, they have it. And you just click join this game. No code, no nothing this week. So did everybody see it? Go in the link, click week 4, play now. And it opens this page and you say join this game. And let's see. This week they have security and networking. Very interesting. last week we will check to see who finished all the labs. So they have 7, 8 labs, and 4 documents. So they have 7 labs, 8 labs. They are even not pretty long. And many of them I already did it, you know.
Done already. Wow.
Most of them. But when you play here is different than the your Quick Labs account. So I would like to have, one second, that everyone who played in week 3 to share on a social network how many points they did, not me, 0. With the hashtag Google Cloud Next. See how many they got. Who is in the ladder, in the top 10 or top 50? Did anyone of our attendees got in the top?
Not me.
Not me. Oh, okay. Myself, I got so much going on with learning for the certification. It's not funny, but I really wish I had time to do it. So please feel free to share in the LinkedIn, in Twitter. You can even go in My Learnings in your Quick Labs account. You click here, and you can share, go to view public profile. If you don't have it, you can create, and then you can share your badges and using the hashtag. I think they use the Google Cloud Next 20 or something, or Cloud Next 20. Let's see what hashtags they have over there. I had a document that was saying everything, only it closes. It's closed. Let's see. Cloud Next. Cloud Next. Okay. Do they have anything? No. Cloud Next. So I guess you can use the Cloud Next hashtag to share your and Quick Labs and whatever you like to. Yeah. Okay. And let us know. Tag us so we know that you are active. Show everybody you are working on your success. So, did everybody reserve their spot in the game this week? Let me see. I want to see the document that I had, but it closed. 1 second. History. Next. Here, maybe. Next. Let's see. Somebody wrote. Only one person. Yes. Ritter. Good. Dino, did you reserve your spot?
I also got my spot, but
Yes. I did it.
Good. Sorry.
Yeah.
You was saying something.
Yeah, I also got my spot, but I'm not sure I will do anything with this.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's too much. Luckily, they did it weekly, but can you imagine when they have the conference there live, that you go there and you have to catch up with everything, you know. At least here you have it on demand. If you forget, if you are attending something and you cannot, you can always go in, check it out. So we did this. Does anyone wants to share with us their points? Anybody did big points?
As of now, I just cannot recognize. Can you maybe scroll the leaderboard like a little bit down?
Yeah. Actually, T-Bass wrote in chat. He says he got to the 26th position. Let's check it out. Yeah, he is here. T-Bass.
Probably.
Congratulations. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. Congratulations.
I know. I also recognized. Also, Dione is on the position 23.
Diona. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
She was in the call, but she dropped off, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, nice.
Maybe she got the same problem as I got myself. Sometimes the computer. You are welcome. Congrats, guys. So.
Oh, but wait a moment. What was there? Like 33. Michal. Michal is there. Yeah, it's our guy.
Michael. Yeah, Michal. Okay. Always from our community? Oh, somebody else wrote. Let's see. Oh, congrats, guys. Okay. Nice. I'm wondering who is this player. Oh, look me. I'm the first one from the bottom. Shame on me. This week I didn't even make any points.
I think everyone is 51. If you scroll the leaderboard, I think they put everyone at the 51st position.
It's just because they have like 1,000 people, but they should put exactly your position instead of put yourself at the end, but put the exact position you are on. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I think the data because if they say I'm 51, I might even think it's true, but it's not true because there might be many 51s.
Okay.
Give me just 1 second. I'm checking something. One second.
Wait a moment.
What happened?
If you go to Cloud Hero Next link on Quick Labs,
Yeah.
it will show you that kind of total. It's total for all the games, I guess. Like for the Cloud Next event.
Yeah.
I will. Yeah, because we have some amazing people there on the very high positions. Go there, like Cloud Hero Next. I just posted the link in the chat.
Yeah, give me.
And scroll down, and you will see the main leaderboard.
Give me just 1 second.
And we have our amazing Samsul on the second position.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm sharing it right now. It's this page here. Where at the bottom?
Yeah. Scroll down. You see? This is the main leaderboard.
So every week they carry out the points that you have from the other week. Nice.
We have Ajinkia on position number 9. He's even our admin in our Slack. And we have Samsul on position number 2. Maybe other people, but I cannot, as of now, I cannot recognize.
Wow, congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, nice. Yeah, Diana is now on the call. No, that's leaderboard is for the week 1 winners.
Oh, okay.
Top of leaderboard winners at the top of the leaderboard of which week games will be showcased here. Check back in to see if you made it on the leaderboard. So this is.
But it's the description is a little bit frustrating. I would expect like a combined leaderboard here across all games, But it could be that it's from the week number 1. Yeah.
She says the week 2 has yet to be published. Okay, so they still have the week 1 top level. Oh, okay. Nice to know. Thank you. The problem is my eyes are hurting me so much I don't even want to read in nothing anymore. So let's go here. Let's close it. Tomorrow, as Karen already said, they have this cloud study jam, and if last week you missed the did they change here? If you missed their here. So if last week you missed the cloud study jam, you can watch it on demand, and they have the preparation certification prep for the ACE exam and the PCA exam, and you can watch them on demand. Of course, you cannot ask any more questions because it's. But depending on which certification you are preparing, for example, I'm preparing for ACE, you go to watch those. So I'm sharing now the link for who is new, who already knows, and who watched the Cloud Study Jam last week. And they even had some hands-on labs also that will help you with the last week Cloud Hero labs. Let's see this week. Go.
You know what we did, Linda, last week? We also streamed all this series of sessions, and many people actually watched the stream from our members.
Nice.
It's
nice.
Yeah. I hope Google will not have any problem with this, because we're just spreading their knowledge. You know, we are only just increasing their voice here.
I don't think so. So here tomorrow they will have these two labs. Let's see in this week what this is this week, or yeah, week 4. So they have tomorrow HTTP load balancer with the Cloud Armor. Let's see HTTP.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, here, yeah. Usually I do Control F and I search. I don't. I'm too tired. And the other user authentication identity aware proxy. Let's see. Here, this one. So if you watch tomorrow, usually the last ones are the most difficult. I think this one, and sometimes I think this one might be. Let's open it. When they have like challenge lab, you have to build yourself the steps. They don't give you the instructions step by step. I don't know how is this. Let's just check it out. Go ahead. So did you see how is this one? This one, they give you the challenge scenario, and you have to go to build your own steps because they don't give it to you. And here is the challenge, what they ask you to do. But if you did the prior labs, you should be able to go back and see. And I will encourage you to write yourself the instructions before you start the game if you want to, you know, to be in the top leaderboard. Otherwise, or don't run out of time. Sometimes if you try to do it when the clock is ticking and you go and search and Google, you might not be able to finish on time. So, and here it tells you what they are looking for. So you have to create the firewall rules. Let's see, 1 second. Yeah. So the challenge, what they ask, they give you the scenario, the setup. Okay. The scenario here. So you are a security consultant brought in by Jeff. Who knows Jeff? Who owns a small local company to help him with his very successful website, Jewish shop. So he has some Jewish to sell. Jeff is new to Google Cloud and had his neighbor's son set up the initial site. The neighbor's son has since had to leave for college, but before leaving, he made sure the site was running. You need to help out Jeff and perform appropriate custom configuration for security. Let's turn on the light. Below is the current situation. So what he has the backend, and he has a bastion and a computer engine. This is the subnet. This is the VPC. Here might be the front end. Let's see, shop. Yeah, this is the front end. And these are the customers that are accessing through HTTP and the backend through the SSH. SSH. So what they ask you to do, your challenge, you need to configure this simple environment securely. Your first challenge is to set, because this week they have security and network, so that's why. You have to set up appropriate firewall rules and virtual machine tags. You also need to ensure that SSH is only available to the bastion via API, identity aware proxy, or I don't know how they call it, IAP. I'm not good with the spelling acronyms. I use it. I hate it. For the firewall rules, make sure the bastion host does not have a public IP address. You can only SSH to the bastion and only via IAP. I hope so. By the end I finish this, I hope I learn to pronounce it. You can only SSH to Jewish shop via the bastion. So, and here you have the diagram. And only HTTP is open to the world for the Jewish shop. Tip and tricks: pay close attention to the network tags and associated VPC firewall rules. Be specific and limit the size of the VPC firewall rules source ranges. Overly permissive permissions will not be marked correct, so you have to give the right permissions. And here is how it should look like. So the admin, SSH using identity aware proxies into the bastion. And this will be your backend, right? You have the subnet and the VPC. Only from the bastion, you should be that it's hosted in a compute engine. You should be able to SSH in the front end that is hosted in compute engine, your Jewish shop. And the customers can only connect via HTTP to the Jewish shop, to the front end. Okay. And here you can check each step. So you have to create first the firewall rules, remove the overly permissive rules, navigate to compute engine in the cloud console and identify the bastion host. The instance should be stopped, start the instance, and so on. The bastion host is the one machine authorized to receive the external SSH traffic. Create the firewall rule that allow the SSH TCP 22 in the port 22 for the SSH from the IAP service. The firewall rule should be enabled on bastion via a tag network. So you have another few, so we are 4. The Jewish shop server serves HTTP traffic, creates a firewall rule that allow traffic on HTTP TCP 18 any address. The firewall rule should be enabled on the Jewish shop store via the network tag. And you have another 2. You need to connect the Jewish shop from the SSH, create a firewall rule that allows traffic on the SSH TCP port 22 from the ACME. So please make sure that you use the right tags that they want. Network address. The firewall rule should be enabled on Jewish shop via the network tag. So, and the last one, in the compute engine instances page, click the SSH button for the bastion host. Once connected, SSH to the Jewish shop. So, who creates the receipt? You can, your solution, create it first on a board, on a paper, on a file on the computer, and after go to try it. I think sometimes they still have it even outside, and you can try it outside of the how you call it, the if you want to try to make sure that you have the right solution and you are doing the right steps, so you don't yeah, they have it. So you can try it here, see if it works, and after you go in the game. If you are sure 100%, go directly in the game. But if you cannot make it in the first round, you can take the lab 5 times. I would suggest you are sure 100% of your solution. Otherwise, you will not get enough points, and you might not be able to reach your goal. But many of these steps, if you go in the other labs prior to this one that you have here, that is the challenge lab is the most difficult. They put it always at the end. But you have the ones that prepare you for that. So here you have user authentication. So this one should help you with the IAP. And after you should have something with the Bastion. Here you have the Cloud Armor. And if you do all of this, most of these steps, you have it here. So you can go back and look in what you can use from here if you are not sure, if you don't remember. And, you know, we always Google to figure out things, so it's not a problem. Just important that you are able to prepare that solution, architect that solution, and you can go and submit it. So might be that here you don't have so much. Let's see. This is only IAM, I think. Permissions with Cloud. Yeah, here you have only IAM permissions. But it will help you to don't give too many permissive solutions. So permissions. Do you remember that they have a step there where they give too many permissive solutions, your permissions, they will not accept your solution. So you have to make sure that you go through all these labs. And when you go to build the architecture, you should have all of this. So usually it helps you paying attention what you do in these labs to build your solution. So I would like to see who next week who makes it through the leaderboard and finish this. So let's see, Dione. One call out. The trial attempt to perform using run quicklabs.com using the same ID you used for the game will result in an attempt being counted. Yeah, because any lab you can take it 5 times. So try to use another account to see if you are not sure if you did the right steps. Yeah, you're right, because each lab. But anyways, sometimes happen to me that I ran out of attempts. You can always, but I don't know for the Cloud Hero, maybe that they will not, they can increase your quota. Should you run out of quota, merely chat. Merely chat with Quick Lab support, and they will unlock a couple more attempts, so you can log your points in the game URL. Competition of the lab run Quick Labs URL will not render points to the game URL. So to gain points, you ought to use the game's lab URL. Yes. So if you want to make points, you always use this URL that you have here. Don't go. Otherwise, if you are not sure and you want to try to see if your solution works, all the steps that you wrote for yourself, go and try it, but use another account. Yeah, good point, Dione. Because, or if you run out of attempts, you can always write to Quick Labs and they will increase your quota. So yeah, good point. Thank you. So, and share with us your architecture next week. We are really curious to see what you build. Let's see, next, what do we have here? So, and if you, tomorrow, if you attend the Cloud Study Gems, you will be able to see, here is raining badly. You will be able to see this work through 2 of the labs of this week, so 7 plus the challenge 8. So you already will have 2 of these labs. Okay, so let's see what did you get here. My computer starts to be slow now.
Yeah, probably because of the streaming, it takes some resources.
Yeah, but I'm not streaming, you are streaming.
Yeah. So I mean video call and video chat also consumes.
Yeah. The other night it was without light. I think they had some trees fall down and I don't know what's going on. We had some bad weather, So yesterday everything was, I had to turn on, change the clocks and things like this. So this week on air, it's week 4. They are talking about security and networking. They wrote here only security, but I think it's security and networking. So you can go to watch some of these talks if you are interested. Anyways, keep in mind that all these talks not only will help you with your certification exam, so you can go and see what can be more helpful for you. For example, you can go to see somebody's success story, how the certification, because many times in our calls we see that people are always hungry to know. So here you have some shared stories. That's it. And yesterday I was looking into this, the cloud. Actually, if you go here in demos, so I want everybody to know where to go to find things. So if you go here in the cloud next OnAir, I think everybody, so you don't have to really share this everybody. You can even cloud next Google and you'll find it. So if you go here in demos, I want to show you something. And if you put view all, because otherwise it shows you only the ones for this week. They are selected for the week that we are on. But if you put view all, and you can go here, and the one that I explored yesterday was this one with the cloud architectures. If I find it now, because I put all of them and it takes forever to find it. Here is the last one. So cloud solution architectures, and it's like, so you go to launch the demo, and here they have like that flow charts, and you have different solutions, and you can go to, let's pick one. Not the first ones are simpler, and as you go they become more complex, but you can go to see how they build these solutions. Here is too big. I will make it small. 1 second. 1 second. I have to turn off my camera. 1 second. When I try to find my mouse, okay. So as you can see here, they show you a chatbot with that dialogue flow. So I make it smaller. It's so big. Oh, I wish to see it a little bit all in one. All in one. Okay, so here they show you the dialogue flow, but the chatbot with the dialogue flow. So what they have a multi-channel with the text, chat on the web, and the Google Assistant on mobile. And because it's a multi-channel, also they have the digital voice. The mobile app can be accessed by mobile app, car, TV, Google Home. And also there are phone calls through a gateway. Okay, so all the conversation management, it's handled by Dialogflow Enterprise Edition. And here you can see how everything is handled. And the fulfillment is done on the, so here is the GCP orchestration. It's going too fast up and down. And so they are using the microservice cloud functions. So this usually when they are called, they run, and you pay only when they run. And then they are using here the cloud platform engine. So I'm guessing that when someone starts to chat, how you call it, a customer service assistant gets a notification. Maybe they are using the cloud functions, or maybe they are using the cloud pub sub. I don't really know. And so this is the app. It's stored in an app engine, and they process the name of the compute engine. And here you can see that they're using a directory, a CRM, another system, and APIs. So this is a simple dialog flow. You can go to start with the simplest ones, because when you go for the exam, they really want you to know, to have like in your mind how to build these architectures, because most of the questions you'll see that they are based on that. So I really encourage you, if you have time when you prepare for the exam, to go through these solutions. Some of them, I'm not sure if that one, but this one that it says beacons and targeted marketing, beacons, I don't know. Here they have even some details. Data flow. Cloud Data Flow provides a scale stream processing layer and simplified programming model to apply rules and aggregations to stream the beacon and or proximity notifications and generate outbound marketing activities. So yeah, did you see here they are using the PubSub. PubSub provides low latency global messaging infrastructure that can integrate with the beacons and back office business systems, allowing downstream ETL of device customers and marketing data. And in this solution also, they are using the big table. Capturing and persisting inventory movement data is useful for asynchronous analysis. Oh man. To generate better understanding and actionable insights. Using Cloud Big Table, the data can be stored in a scalable performance system that is perfectly suited for the time series datasets. And here they show you the solution that they built. So they have the beacons proximity notifications, the back office business system, and the mobile devices push notifications. Okay, so using the messaging cloud PubSub proximity streams, the data is processed using data flow, processes stream processing. So, and after they have the events in the cloud table, proximity events, and the analyzes with the BigQuery data warehouse. And when they are processing the streams, they are using the Cloud PubSub messaging system. The notifications are queued, and they push the notifications using the app engine. And this is the solution that they built. Really go through these things. And also what you can do, if you like, I think they have, oh man, my dog wants to play with me, my dogs. What do you mean? I'm busy. They don't understand. What do you want? So, okay. Also, they have, 1 second. I open the door. Don't you see, baby? I sent my dogs to my husband because they usually let me work. They don't disturb us. Sometimes they just get bored. So
no worries.
So sometimes, no, last week I think, or 2 weeks ago, we were talking about why. I think Google has one. I don't remember how it's called, and I would like to Google Jamboard. So I will start. I think this week I will start to whiteboard, so you can start to build all your. So what I will do myself. So you can do whatever, but this is what I'm planning to do. Go through these solutions that they built, and create my whiteboards, and start to see. Look at the solution and try to do it your own without looking at the solution. Try to remember to write your requirements on the board, and try to build it, see what you remember, and when you are at the exam, that will help you a lot. So I didn't use it yet, but maybe we should even start to use it in some of these
yeah, I never heard about this one.
We can because this one you can even collaborate, you can share it with everybody, and we can start to build the solutions.
Nice.
So if anyone is interested, we can try to do that. Look at the solution until we learn it, and after I think they even have like success stories or solutions that they built, and they tell you what, but they don't show you the diagram, and you can go to read that one and build what they are saying they did, so that so yeah, this is how they call it, Jamboard. And not only you can share it with your friends, with everybody, you can share it online and things like that. So this is the So this I was exploring last night. I was looking at some solutions because it's really interesting. Plus, they have like small videos for demos, and some other interactive games, so you can go to see. And let me see. This is for monetization, but you have many solutions. If you go on, this is for beauty experience, network journey. See data travel around the world rapidly and securely on Google private network. Oh, the Pi Day, who is interested in Pi Day, generate 31.4 trillion pieces of art. Wow, art. Video intelligence. So they have a lots of stuff that, playing, it's easier to learn than just or seeing some diagrams than just listening or watching some videos. This will give you, and of course with Quick Labs you get some, you get the hands-on how to use the GCP console and the cloud, the shell and everything. But this demos actually takes you through the building architectures. So I will really, let's see this employee sensitive. This is like a game. Discover and protect sensitive data no matter where it's stored or processed with cloud data loss prevention. Let's see. This is like a game, like Mario game. Looks like, I don't know, maybe it is.
Yeah, looks very cool. Let's see.
So only this time oh man, what do I supposed to do here? Welcome to Data Land, a data center like any other. Not long ago, they've opened. Can we turn off this? It bothers me. Not long ago, they've opened. You can see that I'm not a gamer, right? They've opened a pipeline valve containing troves of raw personality identifiable information, PII. I cannot even read it. Can you imagine? In a word, it's all of this writing, how they use it, it's so difficult to read it. In a world without automated data protection, only one woman can keep everyone's data safe. Detective McCloud, which is me. Field detective. Let's go to see what. So Dave, data center technician. Oh man, this is just like a game. So you can choose your name, your avatar, blah. Continue. Game detective 3, 2, 1. I hope so. I never play games. So hi Mark. We need to what is
Send.
send the final I thought is end. Send the final payment for new door handles. IBAN, blah 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 blah. This is a smart fridge parts for Jason report. So what I'm supposed to do here? What I was supposed to do? Sorry, I didn't understand. Upload, debug, 3 customer ID, provided address. So what we are supposed to do here? Does anyone know?
And click further. Maybe we will figure it out.
Maybe we have to pick some up. Oh, I lost.
Oh, okay.
Give me 1 second. I waited too much time. Maybe you have to pick words from there that. I don't really know what they showed before, but I don't know which words. I don't know, guys. If anyone can figure it out.
I think it's basically, Linda, you have to highlight the words that you feel are sensitive data. So IBAN : GB82 in the 4th line seems
This
sensitive.
one. Yeah. I got you. So we have only to encrypt the sensitive data, so it doesn't
Correct.
show. Okay, I got you. I'm still sleeping. But how you do it? Because I'm clicking here, then nothing happens. I have to do like this or like this. It doesn't work. I lost again. I'm a loser. That's why I don't play games.
Maybe try learn more about DLP.
Yeah, maybe here. Guys, somebody who knows to play it, share your screen and let's play. Let's learn it. So here they tell you more. But they tell you we know already, that we have to encrypt to do not show the sensitive data. But how you do it, I don't really know, because it doesn't let me.
At some point, it was highlighting some data on the screen. I don't know what you did exactly at this point.
I was trying to highlight it, but how you do it? Do you see?
Yeah, you cannot drag. Oh yeah.
I took it. SSN.
Starts with 5 on the same line.
Yes.
At the end.
Yeah, but they have only.
Yeah.
And now click next. Click next. Your time is running out.
Next.
But there was something else. Did you see? Okay, I got it.
So here, basically, your timer is right on top. So the minute the time goes to like almost 0, which is basically time, you should have already like skimmed through it and highlighted everything and gone through all the 10 exercises.
I didn't figure out how you click here to have all of these. It doesn't do nothing for me. Even if I highlight it all, it doesn't. That's okay. So who figures it out? Let us know. I really like to understand. I'm not a good gamer. Shame on me. Okay, that was fun. So at least I think Dino has something to play with, right? For two. Okay. Thank you guys for trying to help me. I'm not good at games. I cannot figure out ever how. You have really to show me, push here, push there. So
we're all different, so we all learn different ways. I guess it's all right.
That's okay. But at least I will encourage you to go through these demos. Some of them are funny, especially if you know how to figure out how to play the games. It is
Linda, can you open the choose your right database? It's below. If you scroll it down a little bit. Yeah, this one. How to choose the right database?
Okay, let's do this. I was doing it last night. This one, you are right. I forgot. I even bookmarked it for me to.
It sounds really interesting. Like the title is.
Yeah. It's like a game. So they show you what you have. So you say, okay, you have a lot of reason. But I didn't figure out even this one how to play it. I don't know what you have to do. Go. Let's see. Maybe we figure it out now.
Yeah, we have Diona in the call, so we will figure it out.
So they say, oh no, sometimes we pick. I didn't pick nothing. I only just pushed the go. Even last night, I couldn't figure out what. So sometimes we pick the wrong database or the wrong size database for the job. And it becomes unstable. To take a look at what happened, and we will see how we can adjust our database and fix it. Failure rate over time and latency over time. So rebuild the database. What I'm supposed to do? Okay, so here. I think you have to pick up, drag these solutions here or something. Didn't tell you what to do, so it's so difficult what I'm supposed to do. So you have lots of reads and very little.
Yeah, Linda, can you share the link to this to this game in the chat? People are asking for it.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. If anyone can figure it out how you play these games, I really appreciate it, because I cannot figure out what you are supposed to do here. So let's see. Maybe you do this. You put it. Cloud SQL. Can you click on something? Maybe you have to. I cannot figure it out. It's so frustrating. I'm like children. I think if we put here a child 2 years.
You have these rulers there. You know, this instance size, for example. And can you shift it and move it? Like, yeah, you can change parameters, right?
Look, you can do like this. Cloud SQL. Oh man. Cloud Spanner.
Well, and then you have to push go, to press go.
It's backing up to the structure.
1 second. I will mute myself.
Interesting, yeah. Intensity, we can change intensity of read and write. We have R and
okay, give me just
we can change it.
Yeah, give me just 1 second. Lots of reads and lots of writes. So it doesn't matter how you change both of them. They change automatically.
Okay.
And they show you. Okay.
And something is changing on the picture on top.
Yeah, they put more pieces in here. So we did the Cloud SQL. We put the Cloud Spanner and Cloud SQL with replica, and let's run it. Bad. Let's see how we did. Remember, there are many factors to consider when picking your database. This is just one piece of that decision process. Don't pick based on what you see here, but take this as a one small piece of a larger puzzle. So, and here they tell you, they explain you, failure rate over Cloud SQL, and how many reads, how many writes, time in seconds, failure rate over, and so on. But I'm still struggling to figure out how all of this. But this is nice. If you understand how to play this, you understand how to build the solutions, how to choose your databases and things, you know. So it will help you. I wish they had more explanation how you play it, but I don't really know.
I wish it would be more intuitive, like how to play it, you know.
Yeah.
Not necessarily the explanation, but
Yeah.
that's why Google is not into the gaming business, right?
I think they have the VR or something. They have something, I don't know. But anyways, we have here Dino. He will figure it out for us. Do you know, kids figure it out than us old people like me. Okay, so this was another one. So they are like this. So just try to play around. Some of them, they have videos. And by the way, who was yesterday in that Kahoot that they have ROI training? And
I have no idea.
Oh, I was there. I think I seen it in your somewhere. I don't know where. And I subscribed in the last moment. And they had this training Googlers, actually not Googlers, training trainers that are recognized trainers of the year, recognized by Google, and they ask questions. They have like a quiz, and you answer to the questions, and they have prizes.
Okay.
Activate real-time web experience with stream analytics. This must be one hot topic. Here they have a video. And you can watch these videos at your own pace and explore all the other available solutions that they have there. I'm trying myself to figure out because this, it helps you. I think for me, it will help me a lot. I like it because it will help me understand everything I'm studying, because it's so difficult, At least here you get some experience working, not really real experience, but just,
Yeah.
Anyone figure out how works stuff here to share with us, or you want only to see only me failing to figure out?
No, I think each piece could be slightly different. They don't seem to not have the same pattern like across just different demos. So yeah, I think you have to figure out like different parts, how they work and what can be done.
Here they have the high performance. Let's see. I don't know. I cannot figure out how they work yet. Maybe we will figure it. Here it's explore high performance computing on Google Cloud. Do more to Google Cloud. Welcome to high performance computing. So what you do here? Planetary defense, turbine engine. You know what? It will be nice if they can do this to play it like a team. And you can share with other people. I think you can even, I don't know if they, and join you and try to create solutions, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Weather forecast, turbine energy. What to do here? You click on these things. Wow. You go in each piece and you explore it. HPC and turbine engineering. Wind turbine engineers are failing behind on schedule due to a lack of timely access to engineering design and simulation applications. Help improve the product development process with an on-demand solution to create and test the design. So what we have to do here? Suggestions. Should we go to the cloud? Excellent. Wow, finally I got it. This one. Google Cloud gives engineers on-demand access to powerful applications they can use wherever need to test multiple designs simultaneously. What to do here? I don't know. I think that's it. Continue next. Welcome to I already did. So here let's see. Genomics. planetary defense and weather forecast. Let's go to this genomics, what they do here. This is like hospitals or HPC and genomics. Genomics research relies on processing incredible amounts of data, which is time consuming and prohibitive when computing capabilities are limited. Help us improve healthcare through more effective solutions. Drag to connect to the cloud. So we connect them to the cloud, and now we solve all their problems.
That's not a very difficult game.
Yeah, this one is not really difficult. I figured it out. Google Cloud.
Yes.
Google Cloud gives genomics researchers a cost-effective way of speeding up genome sequencing without steep upfront investment or compromising on security, because the data is encrypted at rest and on traffic, right, or how they call it, and so on. So this at least we figured it out how it works. This guy here, the planetary defense, he is just on the strike. So let's put him to work. HCP and planetary defense. Researchers are protecting the Earth from asteroid impact. Oh man, by computing data from research sites and telescope radar sites around the world. Help us speed asteroid detection through the collaborative solution that connects sites with researchers. Let's put them to go to the cloud and no more striking. Go to work. Oh, he's so happy now. Was better before he couldn't get a coffee break. Now no more coffee breaks.
Yeah.
Well done. Cloud HPC enables asteroid researchers to leverage Google's global presence to compute data all over the world, drastically reducing the time it takes to identify new near-Earth objects. Okay, I have enough of this. So, guys, go and figure out. I think after hold to upgrade all departments. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I don't think this one is very useful because it just you know, some blah blah.
The only one thing, it's just giving you some details, you know, and things like, wow, what
it's like
happened?
four cases where this kind of HPC could be used, but these are like planetary defense is not a realistic like for normal people, you know. You don't deal frequently with organizations with who are doing planetary defense.
I know.
Like work, because if you do planetary defense, I would expect like high grade computations going on locally. You don't want to be dependent very much on the connectivity, you know, and if you miss like some ping or whatever, you could miss some asteroid or something like that. Yeah.
Pizza Authenticator.
Yeah, let's go for this one.
It's almost time to eat lunch, guys. Pizza Authenticator. Oh man, you have to load the picture. I think he's doing the or something. I am the Pizza Authenticator. I can tell what pizza you are eating because I had every kind of this.
Yeah, go search in Google image for pizza picture of a pizza and upload it to him. Sometimes you can supply the URL; it will take it.
But you know which lab? We did the study jam on this. You know, pizza? Right? No, with the
image recognition. Yeah.
Yeah, with the image recognition, we did the lab.
The only human who was recognized and happy, I think it was you. The rest was like, yeah, he's like sad or whatever, but even if in a normal mood. Yeah, but go search just for a picture of a pizza.
Let's do this one.
Pepperoni. Yes, this is a simple one. It's what is this?
Pepperoni.
Okay.
They call here pepperoni.
I think if you can get the direct URL to this picture, you can supply it to this tool.
I think I think they want actually
upload the picture.
Yeah, let's see. Pizza Authenticator here. Yeah, actually, it's a good point. They should have available that California style. Pizza Authenticator. Let's see what it was. Pizza, what they say. It's California style? No. It's pepperoni pizza. They call it. I don't know. I would rather put margherita. Pizza. Margherita. In Italian. See if he figures it out. Margherita. Images. Let's put this one. No, because it has other things next to it. This one. Because this one I know. Sometimes they have these American pizzas. I don't know the names. They call it all kind of names. I know only Italian ones. Check another slice. Oh, that one gives me all the... Oh, man.
Right click on the picture.
Yeah, save
copy.
images.
No. Copy image address. Again, right click and copy image address. Yeah, this one. And try to supply it to this tool.
Because this one I know that it's pizza margherita. Let's see if it says, but I don't know if they know all the Italian things. Pizza.
I mean, it's a very basic one. They should know it. Yeah, it's on the top. Let's get it.
This one is eating all the pizza. Wow, I don't like this. It's pizza margherita. It's not California style.
Yeah, it's strange. It's strange. I mean, it seems like it only got like 3 kinds of pizzas, and it estimates the probability of your supplied picture to which of these 3 pizza it belongs.
Yeah, but pizza it's Italian, it's not American.
But seem like in America they have their own like styles, right?
Yeah, so these are the labs that you are saying. Okay, that's okay. It doesn't work for me.
No,
because I think of pizza as maybe they have only to recognize it the American way. I don't know. Video intelligence takes to the sheets. Okay, optimizing your cost. This should be a good one, but these are videos too for you to watch. I don't know what is this Pi Day, but I guess so far everybody has an idea what you can explore here. And also watch some on-air talks. Here is what they talk about this week. Also what actually is today are the talks. Tomorrow they have the cloud study gems. Cloud next. And if you don't like to get lost in there, this we talked last time. We talked about this cheat sheet, right? I explained you how to go about. Yeah, I remember something. That you put the command gcloud. You put at the end the verb. Yeah, I remember something. Actually, I wanted the cloud next cheat sheet. The guy that created it for cloud next cheat sheet. Yeah, is this one. So you have by week, by days, demos, videos, and what is the link to the cheat sheet?
So, Linda, the Pi detective game that you were playing, and Miss McLeod, It's pretty simple. So when you go on that,
You don't share your screen, for example. If it's simple, I really like to learn it. So go ahead.
I think it should show you my screen now.
It will take a few seconds to. Okay.
Does it show up now?
It's coming. Yeah. Okay. You are on now.
Okay. So what you basically do is it tells you you've got 45 seconds that you need to just highlight all the sensitive data, and all you need to do is just click on any one portion of that sensitive data and it'll highlight it.
Did you see what means to read, guys? All the instructions. I didn't even care. Okay.
So it says this is the name. So it seems like all of this is sensitive. So I'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
Mark is sensitive. Address is sensitive. JSON report is sensitive. So I'll go next. You just click on the name and then try to identify it, and then just go to the next. In some areas, it's actually showing you emails that, sorry, not emails, but text that is not sensitive. So you just need to skip those and try to get past probably to closer to the 10. Okay.
Wow, nice. Wow.
So you
are amateur.
Yeah, so the faster you do it, you get to that next level, basically.
Yeah.
I don't know whether they allow you to do anything more beyond the 1,000, but I guess 1,000 is the most you can get at this time.
Yeah, exactly. They say your score is 653 out of 1,000.
Correct.
Maybe they have it at the next level.
Can you put your name somewhere, like next to your score, or is it like just without any session remembering?
No, it's actually without any name, because they've actually created this identity for you as Miss McLeod. So you're just playing as her to run through.
Okay.
It's not like we're competing against each other. You just compete against a pool of people, and then you get qualified for I think the containers of saying P11 Pro, whether you're a pro or you're amateur or a rookie.
Nice.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing.
No problem.
I didn't. I hate that kind of writing. Is the game led us?
Yeah, it is definitely tricky. Like by the time it comes to the 6th or the 7th question, I think in the previous one I got to the 7th question, but I couldn't still make it to pro. But I think if you get more than 8 questions, then you're pro. And by the time you come to the 7th question, it's like almost everything looks the same. It's just like at that moment you're just clicking somewhere.
Nice. Guys, it's already almost 1:24. What do we want to do? Thank you so much, Diane, for sharing, because I think, and sometimes I'm watching these videos. When I'm here and I'm sharing my screen, it's like I don't see nothing. And after when I watch the video, I say, oh, I'm so stupid. It was there in front of me. I could not see it.
No, that's fine. Like even the instructions were pretty tricky to read. Like I had to make so much sense from the instructions at the start. It doesn't say anything about, oh, just click on it and you'll get the whole thing highlighted.
Yeah, because I was clicking, I was trying to highlight, and sometimes did you see it was highlighting, but I didn't know how that happened.
Correct.
That's why children are good playing games, because they click everything, and it's working, and we are trying to figure it out. Okay. So I guess, I encourage you, if you have time, go to watch any sessions you like, play some demos, go to do the Cloud Hero this week. If you want to take some appointments with the cloud experts, if you have any problems, Google Cloud problems or solutions to architect, and you need some insights, go to take an appointment with them, watch the study jams, the talk, the DevRel talks, and so on. And I think that's it.
Yeah, and now we have the raffle time, right?
Yeah. Do you like to take care of that?
Yeah, I'm just posting here to the chat. The link to form, feedback form, and raffle form. Just put your name there, your email, and if you have any feedback or you want to rate this kind of sessions which we run weekly during the Google Cloud Next. Yeah, feel free to do it. And here also for the people on stream, we have 5 people on YouTube stream, including Samantha. Feel free to fill out this form. You have like half a minute or so, and we will spin the wheel, right, Linda?
Yeah, you.
Okay, I will do it. So we have this time 3 winners, or how many will we have?
So we will have 3 winners for the plural site.
Yeah.
And 3 winners for data.
Okay.
Course. Data engineer.
Yeah. So basically, we have 1 month subscription, free subscription for plural site 3 times. So we will have 3 people given this 1 month free subscription, and we have 3 copies of Dan Sullivan's book, How to Prepare for
Course.
Yeah. It's not book. It's a video course. It's even better. You don't have to put any effort. You just watch the video. But the course is data. Yeah.
Data engineer, Google Cloud data engineer, right? Professional.
Yeah.
Let me check.
It's a professional grade. Yeah.
Udemy. Give me just a second. I think we had it even in a. That happens when you don't get prepared before your. It's too much to prepare. It's like never. Let's see. Then. Okay.
Am I in the raffle?
Are you this time?
Yes. Previously, last week.
That's nice.
Oh, so this is it. Give me just 1 second. I will share my screen quickly. Here. Okay. This. So we have 3 of these courses. So 3 winners we will have for then a Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer course in Udemy, a lifetime license or a lifetime access, and the plural site. It's 1 month.
Yeah. Linda, the only concern I have, because we just had a couple of days ago this campaign going on with Dan's course, so I'm pretty sure a lot of our core members of GGG Cloud Nuremberg already got this course in their portfolio, so to say. So maybe we will just spin the wheel, choose the first person, and then ask what kind of price this person wants, and carry on like this.
Yeah, let's do that.
Because if a person got already Dan's book, it just doesn't make much sense to give him or her another one, right?
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Good point. We will keep track of it.
So if you got already the Dan's course, let us know, and you can switch to plural site. Let's do that. And if you don't have it and you want to have the course, we will give you the course, and we will raffle later on. After we finish with Dan course, we will raffle for plural site. Okay, let's do that.
Okay. Okay. Let's. We have 12 responses right now. I'm preparing the data right now. So, okay. Yeah, now I'm going to share my screen.
Dino wants to win.
Yeah,
should do a special
Dino
prize for
badly
Dino.
wants to win. I know.
We should do a special prize for Dino next time.
You'll probably want a Pixel 3 or something. Or Pixel
Huh?
4. You'll probably want a Pixel 4 or something.
Yeah.
I just wanted the Google Pixel 4a rather than just the Pixel 4 because I want to try out a new phone.
I told you. He's
Suppose they
not
want it.
interested in small things, you know.
An iPhone 11.
Oh, yeah,
Next
you are so
time,
funny.
I'll get the Raffle of the Pixel
Okay.
4a.
Okay, let's see who is winning.
Yeah. I guess this time we will not hear again. Should I try to?
No, don't worry. I will.
Okay, we will go without sound.
Yeah, don't worry.
I still haven't figured out how to. Yeah, we got a new winner this time. It's Ritesh. Taking the screenshot. So Ritesh.
Let me write it down. You can copy it and paste it somewhere if you want. I'm putting from my side. Can you hear?
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, Ritesh, where are you? Let us know what would you.
I'm there, Linda and Karen. Thank you so much.
Yeah, what would you like to have? Is it 1 free month at Plural site, or is it dance video course data?
1 month free Plural site. I don't have dance course, but I think I can get it from Udemy. That should be fine. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So Plural site. Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay.
Actually, we should have some volunteers to write in the Slack channel in one thread all the winners' names.
That's okay. I'm taking notes as well. Let's go for another spin. Samantha, great. I think Samantha is watching us on. Yeah, with the sound this time.
We are cheating here.
Yeah. Let's see. I think she's on the.
What should like to have? What do you like to have, Samantha?
I'm just asking her because we have a little delay between the call and the stream.
Udemy. Data.
That data engineer?
Yeah. Let's see, maybe she answers.
Yeah. Yogesh just joined and asking to add his name as well. We can do it.
Okay, if someone can check the YouTube channel and see what Samantha will answer, what she would like to have.
Yeah, we will watch the chat there and see what Samantha would prefer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for now, let's go for another spin.
Yeah. Can you hear the noise?
Yes, thank you. It's perfectly synchronized. Oh, yes, yes.
Kev, what you like
I
to
want to
have?
bet. Thank you.
What is it, Kevin? What do you
Can
want
the
to have?
plural site, please?
Plural. Okay.
Okay.
Please, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
you're welcome.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations, of course.
Cheers.
Still not answering. I hope she will.
Yeah.
For now, let's go for another spin. But I think the next one, if Samantha prefers plural site, the next one, the next 3 ones will be dance books or sorry, courses, right?
You always say book. You like the book?
Yeah, because he's originally like we promoted him, and he is indeed like one of the best-selling authors of this
Yeah.
Google Books study books courses. So, yeah, let's go for another spin now. Yay, great. Dione.
Dione.
I'd actually just give both plural site or the dance book to someone else because I've got both actually. The plural site I have from my company and the book I redeemed from the community.
Great. But you
The
got
course.
this last
Yeah.
one, not book, it's not the book, it's a video course.
I mean the course.
Udemy video course. And it's the last one, right? Which he just released
That's
a few
correct,
days
yeah.
ago.
Yep.
Yeah? Okay.
Yep, I do.
Okay, so what will we do? Will we give you another book or like course, or do you want to skip it like
I think you can just give it to someone who's actually in need of it.
okay.
Let's give it to Dino.
Okay,
Let's give it to Dino. Dino,
Okay.
he's not there. What do you like to have? Plural site or
I prefer my Google Pixel 4a.
okay, next time when we have bigger sponsors. For now, we don't have Pixel.
The Udemy Ding. The Udemy Ding.
Udemy course? The Udemy course?
Yes.
Okay. Let's give to Dino. He is a smart kid. He will make. Are you okay, Dione, to give it to Dino?
Absolutely.
Yes,
Dino
and next time
Udemy
when the
course,
coronavirus is over, we'll save the Google Pixel 4a to the sum of the raffles. And then, whenever I have a chance, I'll get this Pixel 4 right away and having 2 phones instead of 1.
I have a
Juggle
suggestion for you, Dino. Learn hard and get a job as an engineer to Google, and you have all the pixels you want.
Yes.
Let's go to the next winner.
Yeah, by the way, Samantha answered in the chat that she would prefer a Udemy course of Dan Sullivan. So
okay.
what we have now, we have one plural site months left and another one Udemy course.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go for 2 more spins. Oh, congratulations. So, Ajinkya, is there? In the chat or
to the phone.
Where are you, by the way?
What do you like to have?
Oh, maybe he already dropped off. Maybe he has something else, you know. Let's see. Let's see quickly. I cannot see him also in the Google stream, YouTube stream. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I guess he will get what other next winner will not select.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go for another spin.
Let's write his name. Did you wrote his name?
I did actually. Yeah.
Okay.
We have 5 people right now. Here it's question mark.
Yeah.
Let's go for the last winner.
I didn't spin.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, yes. It's Carol.
Carol, what do you like to have?
Congratulations, Carol.
Maybe she's in the.
Let's see.
In YouTube.
It could be, yeah. It could be YouTube. Let's
I
see.
don't see here.
Oh, Ajinkya is on YouTube, and he prefers plurals.
Plural.
Yeah.
Okay, so
and
let's.
I guess in this case, no, it's other way. And Carol will get then the Udemy course, right? But Ajinkya, it was nice timing. Yeah, it fits actually now because Carol is also on YouTube stream and she prefers dance.
Of course. Yeah, so everybody is happy. Everybody got what they like.
We have 6 happy people here. Great.
We will try to contact you between today and tomorrow. If you see that we forget, remind us so we don't forget. I will try to.
No, we will not forget. We will not forget. But wait until tomorrow latest that we will get in touch with you. Otherwise, we try to make it really quick.
Maybe we stay on the call after this call, Karen, and take care of all the administrative things we have to do for next week to prepare, like half an hour if you have time. That would be great.
Sure.
And maybe we contact even the winners quickly. And
yeah, sounds great. So let's call it a day or a week for the Google Cloud Next event. Take care, have fun. Tomorrow will be these study jams. Maybe we will also restream them because it was very popular last week. Let's see. Otherwise, have fun. Take care of your certifications.
Cheers.
Remember to share on the social networks.
Oh yeah.
Your achievements with Google Cloud Next, Hero, and everything. Study jams, everything you do. Tag the Cloud Next and the Quick Labs, and I think usually they reshare your posts, so even we can reshare them. So just keep on showing that your achievements, and we will celebrate all of them.
Yeah. So thank you very much, and take care, and see you next time.
Karen, are you?
I'm staying in the call. Yeah.
Let's jump in another call.
Okay.
So remember to stop the recording and
great.
Stream.
Thank you. Yeah, and the stream as well, right?
Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.